Let's ditch the basic background and build a custom room for your character AI adventures in under 90 seconds. First, head over to the Character AI website and hit that big plus button to start creating something awesome. Instead of making a character, we're choosing the slightly hidden Create a Room option. This is where the magic happens. Time to name your room. I'm going with Cozy Coffee Shop, but let your imagination run wild. Think dive bar, spaceship, enchanted forest, anything goes. Now for the description. This is crucial. Paint a picture for the AI. Describe the sights, sounds, smells, and even the overall vibe of the room. The more detail, the better. Add your characters, drag and drop existing characters into the room, or even create new ones specifically for this setting. Decide who gets to hang out in your creation. Set the visibility to public to let others explore, or keep it unlisted if it's just for you. Hit save, and boom, your custom room is ready. Now jump in and watch your characters interact in a brand new environment. Experiment with different room types and descriptions to see what unique conversations you can spark. Now go create something amazing.